Hi there, my name is Dr. Christopher Thomas. I'm Senior Lecturer in Philosophy at Manchester Metropolitan University, and I've just visited this fantastic campus in Woxsen. I found the facilities to be absolutely brilliant. The teaching rooms are fantastic. I delivered a lecture, an introduction to aesthetics and the philosophy of art, and the students were very engaged, very thoughtful, had great questions, and I felt very at home here. It's a brilliant campus, and I'm very pleased to be here, and I look forward to coming back.
Hello, my name is Dr. Wahida Kandakar. I'm Senior Lecturer in Philosophy at Manchester Metropolitan University, and I'm here at Woxsen for a very lovely visit with fellow academics and many students to present our department and our School of History, Politics and Philosophy. And we had a lovely day today discussing some of our research interests with colleagues here, and also delivering some guest lectures for students at Woxsen, and we engaged in some really productive and creative discussion about philosophy on this really beautiful campus. So we're really excited to explore future connections and ways that we can connect our students back in Manchester with students over here at Woxsen.
My name is Caroline Collier. I'm a Senior Lecturer in Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages and the International Lead for the School of English at Manchester Metropolitan. It's been a pleasure coming here today to Woxsen University, meeting some fantastic staff and students and seeing your wonderful campus. We really hope to continue our relationship in humanities in the next few months and years.